Good morning everyone. I am back again with my another video on how to check work submitted by a student in Google Form using mobile phone. Before we can start, I would like to suggest you all to install Google Sheet in your phone because we are going to use it. Now you can see my Google Drive. There are two forms and one Excel sheet and two folders. Excel sheet is having the details about the work submission by student, and the two folders are used for storing all the attachments given by the student. So let us start. Let me open my Google Sheet. So this is my Google Sheet. Now this Google Sheet is looking a little messy. So let me arrange it little nicely. I'm selecting my entire sheet. I get several options at the bottom. I will choose text wrapping option at the bottom. Now it is looking much better. Now click on back so that you can come back to your Excel sheet. Okay, now suppose I want to check the work submitted by Ram. I can even see the date on which day he has submitted and at what time he has submitted his work. Now if I want to see his work, I will come and click on the attachment here, click on the Drive Google, and his work pic will open. Check it and then click back to come back to your Excel sheet. Now you can check the work of another child. Click on back and come back to the Excel sheet. So if I want to arrange my Excel sheet in ascending order of the roll number, click on the roll number column, click on it again, the place where C is written, that place you have to click. So click on that C again and you get an option sort A to Z, so use that, and this will be arranged roll number wise. So in this way you can even check if any child has not submitted his work, so you can check it from here, any missing roll number. Now another question which was asked by one of my colleague was how to know if any child is submitting his work after 2 days or 3 days. See, I would suggest you for the first 2 days don't use this notification step, because first 2 days just wait, let the kids submit their work and then you check. You know that after 2 days the frequency of kids submitting the work is going to decrease, hardly one per day. So once you feel that the frequency has decreased, now you activate your notification. So how to do that? Open your Google form, go to responses. There is 3 dots. Click on this 3 dots. The first option, get email notification for new responses. So there should be a tick mark. If there is a tick, that means you will get a notification in your email regarding any new response submitted by the student. If the tick mark is not there, you please click again. Now let me show you how you get a notification and how you can see from there. Sometimes we get mails from Google Form in our mail under updates. So if you are not able to find anything in your inbox, please check your updates also once. Like right now I am getting all the Google Form mails in my updates folder. So this is one mail which I have got from Google Form. Let me click on it. 2 is written, that means 2 mails I have got from Google Form. You can see this is one mail I have got at 1:44 p.m. and there is another mail at 1:45 p.m. So now these are mails regarding the notification about new responses. That is some new students have submitted me the work. Out of this 2 mail, which one I should open first? Whenever there is a situation where there are more than one mails related with Google Form, to open the first mail that you have got. So I think 1:44 p.m. is the first mail which I have got from Google Form. So I'm going to open it. Now here I can see view summary. I'm not going to use view summary because it will show me the work of every child. So I will click on response 1. Just wait, it will open your Google Form. Okay, now here you can see that 10 responses have been submitted for this form, and right now it is showing me 9 of 10, that is the ninth response. So I can see the name of the child here, Venika. I can see her roll number, sections. If I want to see her work which she has submitted, I will click on this photo. It will open. Check it. After checking, back, you will come back here, click on the second attachment, check this and click on back. Now I know that 9 out of 10, that means that even the 10th response I have not checked it. So if I click on the right arrow, I can move to the next new submission of the student. So now here the name of the child is Rahul. So Venika and Rahul, both of them have submitted me. So I can see his roll number, sections, and I click on his work and I can check it. If by chance I want to see the previous submission of students, any other child I want to specially see, so I can click on this left arrow and I can see here, I can see Neha's work, Ram's work. Once you are done with the checking here, you have checked all the responses, click back. And don't forget to delete this mail, because we always want to have the latest mail from Google in our Gmail.